Hi everyone, in this experiment we are going to know about Wien bridge oscillator using op-amp 741. Before going to experiment we need to know what is oscillator. Generally speaking, the oscillator is a device that moves back and forth with a regular interval of time. But in electronics, the oscillator we care about is the electronic circuit that produces a periodic oscillating electronic signal, often a sine wave or square wave. The main principle of electronic oscillator is to convert the direct current from power supply to AC. This is the circuit diagram of a Wien bridge, which is an RC oscillator. It is used to produce sine wave oscillation at the output without giving any input. In this as amplifier we have used IC741, and for feedback we are using Wien bridge circuit that has series RC in one arm and parallel RC in adjoining arm with same component values. Here parallel RC network acts as low pass filter and series RC network acts as high pass filter. The feedback is connected to the non-inverting terminal of the op-amp. Here there is another feedback connected to the inverting input of the op-amp for the resistor divider network of R4 and R5, which allows the amplifier voltage gain to be adjusted in narrow limits. Here R5 is a variable resistor. Now by varying it at a selected resonating frequency, voltage applied to the inverting and non-inverting inputs will be equal and in phase. So the positive feedback cancel out to the negative feedback signal without giving any input, causing the circuit to oscillate. In this way we get sustained oscillation at the output without giving any input. Now these are the components that we need for this experiment. This is the circuit wiring for Wien bridge oscillator. Now varying the pot connected at pin number 2, we can vary the gain and feedback fraction R2 upon R1. The circuit will not oscillate unless the gain is 3. We are getting sustained oscillations at gain 3 here, as you can see on the CRO screen. Now here we started getting the distorted wave. We will adjust the resistor value again here. And now we are getting the pure sine wave.